Do you ever get confused between played, play, and will play? Don't worry. Today, you're going to finally understand how English tenses work easily, clearly, and once and for all. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be speaking about time like a pro. So, what are tenses? Think of them as time travel for your words. Tenses simply help us talk about time. Every single time you speak English, you're talking about something that happened in the past, something happening right now, or something that will happen in the future. It's that simple. Let's break it down with some easy examples you can start using today. First up, let's talk about the past. We use the past tense for anything that is already done, finished, over. Imagine a calendar showing yesterday. A great example is, yesterday, I watched a movie. The action of watching is complete. It happened, and now it's in the past. For most regular verbs, you just add ed at the end, like played, worked, or walked. But watch out for those tricky irregular verbs. Their forms change completely. For example, go becomes went, eat becomes ate, and see becomes saw. You just have to learn those. But once you do, you've got the past tense covered. Now, let's move to the present tense. This one is for things happening right now or things you do regularly, like a habit. For example, I work every day. This is a routine. Or, I play soccer on weekends. It's a recurring action. A quick but super important tip for he, she, or it. Don't forget to add an s or es to the verb. So, it's not she play, it's she plays. It's not he work, it's he works. And it's not it rain, it's it rains. Remembering that little s will make your English sound so much more natural. Next, let's jump into the future. The future tense is for anything that hasn't happened yet, but will. It's all about plans, predictions, and promises. Picture yourself looking at a calendar for tomorrow. You could say, I will study tomorrow. The action of studying hasn't started, but you plan for it to happen. The best part, the future tense is usually super easy. You just use the magic word will plus the verb. For instance, I will go, I will eat, I will call you later. Simple, clean, and always pointing to the future. Okay, let's do a quick side-by-side comparison to see how these tenses change the meaning of a sentence. Let's use the verb work. Yesterday I worked. That's the past. The work is done. Today, I work. That's the present. It's happening now, or it's my routine. Tomorrow, I will work. That's the future. It's a plan. See the difference? Past, present, future, worked, work, will work. It's all about when the action takes place. Alright, now it's your turn to practice. Let's do a quick quiz. I'll say a sentence, and you try to guess if it's past, present, or future. Ready? First one, I played football last night. What do you think? That's right, it's past tense because of played and last night. Next one, I study English every morning. Is it past, present, or future? You got it? That's present tense because it's a regular habit. Last one, I will travel next summer. What's the tense? Exactly. It's future tense because of will travel and next summer. Well done. You are really starting to master these tenses. So, let's quickly summarize everything we learned today. The past tense is for actions that already happened. The present tense is for actions happening now or regularly. And the future tense is for actions that will happen later. Simple, right? Just remember, the time the action happens is what decides which tense you need to use. If this lesson helped you clear up your confusion, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple English lessons every single week. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which tense is the hardest for you to use? Past, present, or future? Thanks for watching, and keep on learning.